Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Miss Ali98. My name is Alexis and this is part 2 of meeting my birds. I'm going to show you guys one of my birds. Here is Hulky. She's an Indian redneck parrot. That's Hulky. Here's bird number 2. And here is Buddy. Oh yes! He is a beautiful lovebird. And let's get this for you. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Here's bird number 3. This is Pebbles. She's the same family of the other lovebird. Here's bird number 4. This is Berry. She's a female. She's a diamond dove. Here's bird number 5. This is Blue. He's the male of the diamond dove. Here's bird number 6. Here's Val. She is a bungee parakeet. This one I can't take up because she's a flyer. Here's bird number 7. Here is Coco. She is a Spanish canary. I didn't take her up because she has babies. Here's bird number 8. This is Sky. He's an Indian redneck parrot. He's usually a chatterbox, but he's seen the camera and he got shy. Now I'm bringing the birds 9 and 10. Here are the 2 cockatiels. They are both males. You happy? That was 10 of my birds. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon in the next video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.